If you are looking for conversion of different file format like PDF, JPG, audio, video, or any file format you want to convert, there is many software available, but mostly they are highly priced, and also they have different and difficult menus. And if you are looking for online, then they have like a website, they'll also subscription and also too many ad. So I will recommend you that this file converter you have to install in your local PC, and then you convert any type of file as you want to recommended size without any more hassle and difficulties. Also, they have no subscription and you can download it from his official website. Like as you can see, there is a different file format. So when you can click it, you go to show more properties, and from here you will see the file converter as I installed. And now there is too many options that you can convert this image to PNG, audio, video, anything you can convertible file is available. As you see, this one is a PDF and it is also convertible. This is a Word file, and from here you can change it from any file to picture or PDF. Also, if you see this image, then they have a different menu from file converter, and also this one is SRT file, and if there is any converter available you will see in menu. And one of the most important things is you see the MP3, and there is too many file format for your project. And the last one is audio file format, and you can see they have many file formats. You can change it just by one click, and also you can configure a customer preset. Like if you want to make any MP3, JPG, MKV, or any file format for your project, you can just select from here, and when you save it you will see this preset in the menu, and then you select and click, so it will be converted. It's an amazing app. You can use it for your window without subscription, and you can download it from his official website. Thanks for watching.